Have you ever wondered about the sheer power of nature and how it can change our lives in an instant? Each gust of wind, each droplet of rain, each tremor of the earth beneath us, they all hold the potential to turn our world upside down. Nature. It's an entity we often take for granted, yet its power is beyond our comprehension. It's a force that can create stunning landscapes, fuel our lives, and inspire awe. But there's another side to this coin, a side that's unpredictable, ferocious, and capable of causing disasters of unimaginable scale. From the smallest gust of wind to the most devastating hurricane, nature's power is ever-present, ever-changing, and always uncontrolled. It's a power that doesn't discriminate, doesn't hesitate, and certainly doesn't wait for our readiness. One such event that stands as a testament to the power of nature is Hurricane Katrina, a disaster that left an indelible mark on the United States. On August 23, 2005, a storm was brewing over the Bahamas. A seemingly ordinary tropical depression, it rapidly gathered strength, drawing energy from the warm Atlantic waters. This was the birth of Hurricane Katrina. As it moved westward, it grew in intensity, becoming a formidable Category 1 hurricane before making its initial landfall in Florida. But Katrina was far from done. It emerged back over the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico, where it underwent a terrifying transformation. The warm, undisturbed waters of the Gulf provided the perfect fuel for Katrina to escalate into a catastrophic Category 5 hurricane, the highest level on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Its sheer size was staggering, the winds ferocious, and the central pressure was one of the lowest ever recorded for an Atlantic storm. The Gulf Coast was in its path, and the storm was moving inexorably towards it. As Katrina moved towards the Gulf Coast, residents braced for impact, unaware of the extent of the devastation that was about to unfold. On August 29, 2005, Hurricane Katrina, now a Category 3 storm, made landfall near Buras Triumph, Louisiana. As the storm raged on, the relentless surge of water proved too much for the levee system of New Orleans. Like a merciless beast, it breached the city's defenses, letting loose a flood that would submerge 80% of the city underwater. The devastation was unimaginable. Homes, once filled with laughter and love, were now reduced to mere rubble. Streets that once echoed with the rhythm of life were now silent, replaced by the haunting sound of wind howling through the deserted city. The city was not the only casualty. Lives were lost, too many to count. Each one, a story cut short, a dream extinguished. Families were torn apart, communities were shattered, and the city's vibrant culture was muted. In the aftermath of the storm, the world bore witness to one of the most significant natural disasters in U.S. history. In the wake of Katrina, the nation grappled with the magnitude of the disaster. The storm had passed, but the struggle was just beginning. Rescue and recovery efforts came from all corners of the country, a testament to the unity this tragedy had inspired. Teams worked tirelessly, pulling survivors from the wreckage, providing medical care, and distributing essential supplies. The communities hit hardest by Katrina faced an uphill battle. Homes, businesses, and entire neighborhoods were wiped off the map. Yet, amidst the rubble, the human spirit was unbroken. People banded together, rebuilding their lives brick by brick, day by day. Hurricane Katrina was a harsh teacher. It exposed the vulnerabilities in our disaster response systems and forced us to confront the reality of climate change. But it also taught us about resilience and the power of community. Hurricane Katrina serves as a stark reminder of the power of nature, the importance of preparedness, and the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity.